Now the times table. Time.
Well, well, well. How the turntables?
Hello, my most beautiful friends. We have a very unexpected video today because I literally did not expect to get this. This just showed up. So here we are. But I have Ipsy's August Glam Bag, even though we already got Ipsy's August Glam Bag. And I guess Ipsy had an icon box as well. And I thought I was kicked off this list. But here we are. So you guys want to see what I got in this month's August Ipsy Glam Bag and their icon box? Well, then definitely keep watching. Alrighty, so if you guys saw in the beginning of the month, I did my PR unboxing, and in that unboxing, I opened the Ipsy Glam Bag. So you guys can best believe how surprised I was when this showed up again. I actually don't remember what that bag looks like because I did give it away. So, okay, so we're gonna dive right on in. This really surprised me. I had no idea that I was getting this. So this month is our August box, and the first thing we have in here is from Formula. It just says unisexy setting spray. Ooh, I've never heard of this brand before. Interesting. Have you guys heard of this brand? Because I remember I got What's Up Beauty in my Ipsy box. Y'all remember that? It's live on my channel if you want to check it out. I'm so confused. Okay, so up next in this little bag, we got a little Ultra Repair Rescue Barrier Balm. This is a from First Aid Beauty. Sweet, 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 sweet. Then we got a little sample size of Olivia Uma. This is a Glass Skin Tang Hulu. What is that? What are you? You are a cleansing foam. Ooh, you're a cleansing foam. That's really cool. And then next we got something from Half Caked. This is going to be the I Defy Zero Defy Gravity Mascara. Ooh, not really a wand I tend to go for, but okay, we will take it. And then finally in here we got a eyeliner from BV Beauty Volte. This is going to be I think a black velvet liner. Yeah. So not too bad. So this bag, I think it does retail for $14. It's been a long time since I paid for it. Like I said, I do get these in PR. And I love that everything in here was makeup. Unfortunately, I don't know any of these brands, but I do like how it is a little bit diversified. So that is everything I got in this month's Glam Bag. I do know that this is very different from what I got in the beginning of the month. In the beginning of the month, I got like What's Up Beauty, and I feel like a couple other things. So this is definitely very different from what I got in the beginning of the month. But I feel like what we're all here for truly is the icon box. And this is a box that gets, this is the box that gets released every 3 months. I do remember it being like $60 to $65. And it usually is curated by a celebrity or an influencer. They pick out like 8 of their favorite products to be put in this box. Now it does vary between boxes. I think that with an icon box, you do have the option to choose what you want. Since I do get this in PR, I don't get to choose what I get. They just like to surprise me. So I have no idea what we're getting. I have no idea who's actually doing the icon box. But I'm excited because like I said, I did not expect this. This literally just showed up at my door and I was like, I guess we're filming today. I originally was going to do a 3 looks, 3 palettes. But not gonna lie, I filmed 2 looks. I'm waiting on the 3rd palette to get here, so it might just be a 2 looks, 2 palette. We'll see. Video will be live on Thursday, and we'll see what we end up getting. I don't know. All right, so this month's box is curated by Ash K. Home from Effortless to Everlated from Ash K. Home. Now I never watched Ash K. Home. I just got a palette a long time ago when she did a collab with Stilla. I got it, and that was the only time I really ever like looked at her content. I don't actually follow her as a creator, but I'm excited to see what she's gonna have in here because she is a makeup mastery. So let's see what's in this box. I'm not gonna lie, it's actually pretty heavy. So the first thing that I see is from oh, I'm so excited! Kupari. This is gonna be the Canapel Coast. This is going to be their sweet coconut and milk vanilla hair and body mist. I remember smelling this when I saw Kupari at Target and their little Ulta section. I remember I saw it and I was like, oh man, I was like, I really want to buy it, but I didn't. And it's here. It's here. Now I know this came out last year, but shit, it smelled amazing. I'll also say this is the first time they actually have it like as a magazine. Normally this is like a newspaper. This is a magazine. Oh, Ipsy is stepping up their game. Okay, so this right here, it retails for Hold up, I gotta find it.
3 hours later.
Okay, so I feel like I'm blind because it's not in there. I cannot find this magazine, but I'm so excited. I always wanted this one, so. Now, granted, I do have a fall background, but there's still something about a coconut scent I can't resist. That is so exciting. What a first great item in here. Okay, up next. It got my mouth. It got my mouth. Ooh, I should stop talking as I spray stuff. Allie, learn your lesson. Okay, so up next I have a... Is it meant to be like this? I don't know if it's meant to be like this. Okay. Okay, wait. Oh, it's a tire. Okay. Okay, so in here I got 2 products from Kulfi. This is going to be their casual eyeliner crown. I have the shade called No More in Glaze. Looks like it's going to be like a black and golden eyeliner. I only tried one product from them, and it's going to be their brow gel. I actually do really like their brow gel. It's actually what I'm wearing my eyes today. So this is how, ooh, it's an actual eyeliner. I'm excited to try this. I haven't tried too much of this brand. So that is really exciting that I got 2 different shades. I think the other one is going to be like a golden shade. At least this is how it looks like. So let me see. Or brown. Oh, that's so creamy. That's a brown. Oh, that's exciting. I'm excited. I was literally about to say thank you, Ash. Wow. Okay, guys. We're starting off very good. You know what, though? I should not be surprised. She is in the makeup industry, so I should not be surprised if she's putting some amazing products in this box. Holy shit. Okay, these ones right here. It's on here, but I don't see a price point. It just says get her glam, so there's not really a price point on here. Okay. All right. Up next, we have something from Amica. I love Amica. This is the Starfruit Lightweight Hair Styling Oil. Ooh, an oil. Interesting. Okay. Ooh, you smell like the Amica dry shampoo. You just smell like the dry shampoo. I'm not really familiar with what I'm supposed to do with oils. Like, I know that you can, like, put them on the end of your hair to make them, like, super soft. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I get really oily. No surprise, because at the end of the day, I have very oily skin, so it's no surprise that my hair gets really oily. I have not washed it since Saturday. I know, gross, but I just got it dyed. I just got it done on Saturday, and I was trying to keep the dye in as long as possible, so it's being washed today, so that's why she's looking a little rough, but we're not going to judge her, okay, because we're all friends here, okay? But this smells amazing, so if any of you guys know what to do with the hair styling oil, like, let me know. Do I, like, put it on and style it? Will my hair get more greasier with it? Let me know. Okay, so up next we have something from Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I absolutely love Elemis. I do get them in PR sporadically. It's not all the time, and they have gifted me over quite a few other cleansing balms. I really do love their cleansing balms. If I'm not using the Elemis, I'm either using the I'm usually using the Blend Bunny, or I'm using my Beekman 1802. I've been on a real kick for that one lately, but I will say this is absolutely incredible. I don't know what scent this one is. I think it just says their Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This is really good at removing your makeup, and then you go in with an actual cleanser afterwards. So this is like a makeup remover. It does kind of go on a little thick, and it does feel a little bit oily, but it does a great job at really pre-cleansing the skin. So this is absolutely fantastic. Really do love Elemis. Okay, so up next I got something from Kevin Aquan. What? This is the Neo Hard Blush in the shade called Rose Cliff. I don't even know how much you are. Isn't Kevin Aquan expensive? Like, isn't it expensive? Oh wow. That's beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. That's actually really cool. What? I think the one time I ever got a Kevin Aquan blush was also in a BoxyCharm long ago. Long ago, and it came shattered. And this one's not. Oh my god. I feel like it's Christmas right now. Okay, so up next, I got something from Saturday Skin. This is your Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Toner. Ooh, it's a toner. And do we have you on here? I really don't think this information's on here. No, mine's not on here. Oh, the oil is, though. The Amica oil is $32. Okay, sweet. Okay, so this is Saturday Skin. This is going to be a bright toner. I can safely say I've never used Saturday Skin before, so I don't know how their products are. I'm very curious to try them out, though, for sure. This is how the bottle looks. Ooh, glass. That is trouble for me because I tend to drop products. If you guys have not noticed here on my channel, if you guys have been following for a minute, I do tend to drop products like crazy. This doesn't have a smell, but I don't want to open it just yet. Okay, I'm excited. I've not tried this before, so I'm very much into a skincare routine right now and trying things out, so I'll definitely give this a go. It is a glass bottle, so it makes me a little nervous because I I almost dropped the cap. I literally almost dropped the cap. I just have a habit of dropping things. I have my whole life. My biggest thing that I like to drop the most is my husband's drinks. So he tends to not let me hold beverages because I tend to drop them. I don't know what it is. My hands just go whoop, ah, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I'm excited. Not for the glass bottle, but I'm excited to give this a go. Wow, okay. Up next, I got something from, oh, I don't know how to say you. Oda Site? It's a brand I've never heard of before, but this is a Sea Glow Hydro Firming Body Oil with corpse in it. So it has vitamin C, E, and Kaduku. This is a Sea Glow is more than just a body oil. It's age-defining formula that combines the lasting hydration of body oil with the firming benefits of vitamin oils, soluble vitamin C. Oh, wow. Okay. Holy crap. This thing is heavy, and it's also glass. Oh, God. Oh, God. My worst nightmare. It smells like lemon and pickles. It literally smells like lemon and pickles. I don't know how to take that. Let's put just a little bit right here. Okay, I think it's supposed to be like a lemon zest with like a dill pickle aftertaste. I'm crazy. Y'all, that smells like a dill pickle. That's very intriguing. I don't think it's supposed to be. I think it's supposed to be like a lemony zest. It smells freaking pickles. All right. That's really exciting. I don't know how much this is. I wonder if it's on here. Again, it's a glass bottle, but let's see. Okay, so this right here retails for $48. Okay, cool. Last but not least, y'all. Last but not least, she threw in the Patrick Ta. This would be the Major Dimension Volume 2 palette right here. Now, I already do have this palette, so I'm definitely going to be passing this forward. But the fact that she threw in a Patrick Ta palette in here, I want to say, I could be wrong, but I want to say this palette retails for like $68, something like that. It's a pretty decent palette. If you are a big neutral person, you are absolutely going to love this palette right here. So I'm going to be very careful because I'm trying not to get my fingerprints on it. But this right here is how the palette looks. This is going to be a beautiful neutral palette with a little bit of rose tones in here, a little bit of pinky rose tone hues. Very perfect for wearing every single day or spicing up and do a little bit of date night. But that's incredible. I love this palette. I have it myself. I have volume 1 and I have volume 2. I never got volume 3 because it's just way too neutral for me. It was all mattes, but this right here is absolutely stunning. So the fact that this is in here, and I know this is like a 60 something dollar palette. I want to say it's like 68, 69. I could be wrong, but that is incredible. Oh my God. Wow. That is so freaking cool. What? Out of all the PR, out of all like the icon boxes I've ever opened, this one I feel like was so, this one I feel like was so good. The fact that I got the Major Dimension palette, we got a body oil, we got a toner, we got a facial cleanser, we got 2 different eyeliners, we got a blush, we got a hair oil, and we got this amazing body spray. Definitely a little bit more focus on the hair care and body care in this. Definitely more focus on the skincare and body care in this box than it was makeup. I still think this box was absolutely incredible. If I spent $68 on this box, I would be so thrilled with this. I would be so happy with this choice. And like looking at the other options in here, look at you had options of like Bare Minerals, Makeup by Mario, RMS, House Labs mascara, which is really good mascara. There have been other options like Fenty Beauty, and it looks like Kristen Dominique was in here, and some Laura Mercier and stuff like that. So really good products are offered in this box if you are a member. So Ipsy, wow. I did not expect this. I literally thought I got the boot off your list last year, and you guys just surprised me. Holy shit. Wow, thank you guys so much. I absolutely appreciate it. I've been working with Boxy Charm and Ipsy since 2020. I've been a member of them for even prior to that. I've been unboxing them, I think, since like 2018, 2017, and I'm just beyond thrilled that this showed up today. So thank you guys so much. So let me know down below, are you guys still subscribers to the Boxy Charm or the Ipsy boxes? I want to hear from you guys. Do you guys sign up for them? And if you do you guys sign up for the icon box? If anything else, I will say for me, the icon box always is worth it. So let me hear from you guys. So with that said, guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. So I do post 3 to 4 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channels, R for the Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes these beautiful, wonderful page members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. If you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you. And I'll see you guys in the very next video.